finally I will be talking about Accenture phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. But many students asking daily about Accenture because I am getting comment about Accenture queries, and I know you are frustrated about 29th December result, phase 1, phase 2, what's going on, and is there any phase 3 we have to do start our preparation or not, because we did not received any mail, like only shortlisting mail we received, but no round 1, no round 2. So what is going on after interview, what is the status, and after shortlisting what is going on, is there any phase 3 chances or not? So please watch video till end because I am going to answer all your queries. So please watch video till end. No update earlier, that's why I am not uploading the video. And if you all know that I already uploaded one big opportunity referral hiring, go and check out that video I just uploaded. So don't worry, today complete clarity on all phases and next steps, what you have to take the next step also, and what's going on. Full detail abhi mil jayegi, don't worry, just watch video till end. So I want to give you the quick recap about phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. First hiring process is going first hiring process is phase 1. What is going on, like if you all know that Accenture assessment is completed on December and communication issue is rescheduled. So that's why in phase 1 we got the assessment test already completed, but for some due to some error we already got the rescheduling mail of communication and already completed the communication assessment also. And interview भी जो हमारा हुआ था वो end of the December की 29th and 24th of January को December को complete हुआ है, but there is no result about this. We got the assessment or completed the communication, completed the interview, but not got the result. So first understand the status only. These I am telling you what's going on. So in phase 2, we all know that in January assessment is completed, interview rescheduled also is there, and fresh interview is also already completed, but again no result update in phase 2. So phase 2 rescheduled interview happened recently and that's going on because already not completed all interviews. Rescheduled interview अभी बाकी हैं, ठीक है, phase 2 के जो कि चल रहे हैं. And now in phase 3 expected है before 10th of February, but this will create delay till end of the Feb. तो मुझे नहीं लगता ये मार्च में ही आने को मिलेगा, ठीक है. phase 3 की बात कर रहा हूँ. रीजन ओवरऑल प्रोसेस डिले बाय Accenture. Why? Because if you see that phase 1 result is not out, phase 2 rescheduling interview is not completed, that's why phase 3 take time. Now the result status, what's going on, most important part we all want to know about result of interview and result of every round, ठीक है. तो इसमें अगर समझोगे phase 1 phase 2 result not declared yet, but phase 1 phase 2 या phase 3 जो भी हो on campus के result out हो चुके हैं. Yes, was on campus interview result is out but not off campus. So phase 1 phase 2 result not declared yet. Earlier year result came in small phases, we all know. This year big phase wise release बल्क रिजल्ट आएंगे, क्योंकि मैंने ये अपनी ऑलमोस्ट 4 वीडियोस में बोल चुका हूँ कि दे विल रिलीज ऑफ कैंपस रिजल्ट, मीन्स फेज 1 फेज 2 एट द सेम टाइम बल्क में यहाँ पे रिजल्ट की मेल्स आने वाले, जो कि ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू इन द 4 वीडियोस कंटिन्यूसली. तो ये बल्क में रिलीज करेंगे, दैट्स वाई डिले हो रहा है, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इतना तो है कि तुमको तुरंत एक बार में सारे रिजल्ट मिल जाएंगे. तो अब यहाँ पे जो साइन ऑफ सिलेक्शन है ना, लाइक दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू विल गेट अ मेल इन विच thank you for participating for the next step. It means this is no offer letter, no LOI, no document. This mail initial sign of selection basically, ठीक है. check inbox daily final selection document verification. I already told you have to manage your documents properly. Even if you having the mismatch in the PAN card, like your first name last name, then this will create error. So please update your document correctly and please manage it before interview result, क्योंकि उसके तुरंत बाद हमको document verification होगा. It means you are confirmed selected, and after 15-20 days they will confirm. First means verify your document, after they will give you the mail. Sometime delay can get up to 1 to 2 months of for what, for offer letter. After verification there is offer letter and it's take 2 months or 1 month obviously, क्योंकि Accenture का नॉर्मल काम है ये चीज़. सो एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट टाइमलाइन प्रेडिक्शन है, बी केयरफुल, दिस इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट. सो आइडियली रिजल्ट शुड हैव कम बाय नाउ. चांसेस ये हैं कि भाई फेज 3 मे बी डिलेड अंटिल रिजल्ट, बट इतना मुझे लगता है कि भाई फेज 3 के पहले ना यहाँ पे रिजल्ट देखने मिल जाएंगे. किसके? phase 1 phase 2 interview result. So before possible 15th of have not confirmed, this is insist not officially confirmation. So very important advice यही है कि भाई don't depend only on Accenture, process is very long, apply to other company. ThoughtWork की जस्ट अभी अपलोड की है यार, प्लीज जाके देख लो. फ्रैक्टल की अभी अपलोड किया है मैंने, और अभी एक और अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ, उनको अप्लाई करो एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. टेक रेफरल एंड अदर ऑनगोइंग हायरिंग विच आई ऑलरेडी डेली अपलोडिंग 4 to 5 वीडियो. सो डोंट वरी, गो एंड अप्लाई फॉर दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज. हायरिंग विंडो कैन क्लोज एनी टाइम, डोंट टेक, ठीक है, मतलब टाइम वेस्ट मत करो, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. प्लीज अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड हिट द अप्लाई बटन फॉर ऑल अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑल्सो. डोंट ओनली रिलाई ऑन Accenture. So post result reality यही कि many don't know this because even after selection, document verification, re-verification, poll email, retraining, onboarding, overall process is very long. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई ऑफर लेटर इतना देर लगती है, क्योंकि आफ्टर यू नो दैट यू आर सेलेक्टेड इन एन Accenture, ठीक है, देयर इज डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. इन वेरिफिकेशन दीज आर द पार्ट्स, ठीक है, दीज आर द थिंग यू हैव टू वेंट थ्रू फॉर एन ऑफर, ठीक है, उसके बाद मिलेगा ऑफर. सो डॉक्यूमेंट टू प्रिपेयर नाउ ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू इन डिटेल. टेल स्टूडेंट टू प्रिपेयर इन एडवांस, ठीक है. मेन चीज़ ये है कि भाई सबको बताओ जितने भी हैं कि अभी से जिनको भी रिजल्ट नहीं मिला इंटरव्यू का, प्लीज प्रिपेयर मार्कशीट, सेमेस्टर वाइज 10 12th मार्क्सशीट, आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, पासपोर्ट एंड बट अप्लाई इमीडिएटली, टेक 2 months. बेसिकली पासपोर्ट ऑप्शनल है, बट इफ़ यू अप्लाई now then it takes 2 months to create the passport. That's why I'm telling you कि अभी जाके अपना पासपोर्ट बनवा लो. if it's mandatory this time, then this will create error और बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी एक तरीके से if you don't having the passport. तो ये वैसे भी 2 महीने लेगा, तो भाई प्लीज़ जाके अभी अपना अप्लाई कर दो पासपोर्ट के लिए. what is going on, I already told you about document, you have to prepare. what's going on after, what will happen after document verification, already told you. that's why offer letter will be delay. and very important advice already told you कि apply for other opportunities also. expected result already told you about phase 1 phase 2 एक साथ ही रिलीज होगा एंड phase 3 डिले होगा. तो फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन यही है कि भाई तुम सिलेक्ट हो चुके हो, ठीक है. अगर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का मेल आ जाता है तो यहाँ पे समझने की बात यह है कि यहाँ पे रिजल्ट की भी बात आपने कर ली. phase 3 phase 2 और phase 1 व्हाट्स आर द करंट स्टेटस ऑफ दिस phases already told you. You have to do just comment down. if you having any query, just comment down, I will check your queries. and for result already told you each and everything. or share this video with every students you know who applied in Accenture or who is suffering for round 1 result, round 2 result. even after shortlisting he did not get anything, so tell them please watch video this till end. there is phase 3 also, but it takes time, so don't worry. if you get selected, if you applied and did not receive round 1 mail, then you will definitely will be in the phase 3. और जब भी आएगा तो वीडियो तो आ ही जाएगी. so what you have to do, just go to the video section, check the recent just uploaded video and hit the apply button. take referral because today is the last date for that opportunity, which is mega hiring for 26 25 and many more is there. 24 is also eligible. go and apply for hiring. so 7 LP 8 LP is the minimum package यार. आओ apply करो उसके लिए. and if you having any query, just comment down. and please, thanks for watching.